Dear kids, welcome you all to today's topic of class 6 part 2 who I am. That means मैं कौन हूँ, right? Who I am. As we have already read about part 1 with many of the character like Dolma, Peter, Sarbjit, Radha, right? So I hope you have remember those characters in part 1. So today we will be reading about part 2, and we will be talking in details that what this characters wants to do and what they want to share to us. Now let us move to the first character. You can see here Radha. My dear student, it's a humble request. Try to understand, try to hear in a silent area what I'm going to say. And it's really a beautiful story, and you will all remember it easily. And these are all the PT2 test revision as well for you. So it's a humble request, try to hear what I'm going to say now. So the first character, as I told you, it's Radha. So Radha is sharing what she likes and what she doesn't like. So Radha is sharing her liking and daring acts. Do you know what this Radha loved to do? She loved to climb mango trees, and that to be her mother used to scold her that being a girl you should not go up and climb like that. I know everyone loves Maggie to eat, right? Or fast food you can say. So with the help of fork means the spoon, कांटे की जो चम्मच होती है, that one, the fork, in that fork you love to eat. Similarly, these mango branches are stretched out like a fork, and here this girl climb, who? Radha, and sit there and enjoy. And do you know what? One day she took her mother itself, and they both sat on the mango tree on the branches, and they started enjoying what? Raw mango. So this is all about the liking of Radha. Now let us move to the next character, Nasir. Nasir says that once he grows up, he would like to be a seed collector. Seed collector means, seed means जो बीज होते हैं. Okay, so he started collecting. He want to become a seed collector. Why? Because his family had cotton fields. For example, in this Lateri, most of the people, they grow what? Soya bean, right? And here, similarly, here this Nasir, he wants to collect seed because his family had grown or had the field of cotton fields. So every year his father had to spend a good amount of money on buying seeds to grow cotton. So in order to grow something, what we need? We need seeds. So his father used to spend more money and purchase seed to grow crops, to grow this cotton field. So he wanted to stop this expenditure, and his grandfather told him that in their time they used to get seeds from their own plants. So what happened? His grandfather is saying that we never purchased seed from the market. We used to get it from our own plants. So these seeds were used to grow new plants, and he wanted to search the way to preserve seeds. So he's thinking to preserve it, to stop the money what his father is spending on purchasing the seeds. So he wanted to follow the culture, he wanted to follow the thoughts, the sharings of his grandfather, and he wanted to know how to preserve the seeds, and as it would help them to save money. Okay, so this is all about the liking of Nasir. Now let us move to the next character, that is Rohit. Now Rohit is saying that he is in love to travel throughout the world, right? That means Rohit is sharing his passion for traveling. He says that if he had a big amount of money, he would like to travel a lot. So, my dear student, in order to move here and there, we need money. Without money, we cannot move directly to Bombay or directly to Goa or Delhi or somewhere else. For example, a simple example, if we want to go to Bhopal, if we don't have money, then how can you enjoy going Bhopal, right? So Rohit is saying, being a small child, he's saying that if he had money, then he would have traveled a lot. So what travel? What kind of travel? He loved to visit mountains of New Zealand because they look good on magazines. So when he see magazine, he he is crazy about going to New Zealand mountain and see what is there. He also wanted to raft on the Amazon River in South America. So raft means, it's kind of a boat. Rafting, they used to say there many people will be sitting and they will go for a river drive, right? So he wanted to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down into the sea coral. Have you seen Submarine? The people who love to go inside the water, ocean, and they want to see the plankton, they want to see the water animals. Similarly, this boy Rohit, he wanted to go deep down into the water, and his wish list also included Konark Temple in Orissa. My dear student, as you all know that I belong to Orissa, and Konark Temple is the sun temple. It's a famous temple in Orissa, and people all over the world come there to visit because the first sunlight fall on Konark Temple. So his wish list is that he need to move New Zealand, he need to go to the Amazon River, he need to dive in the coral, he need to go visit Konark Temple in Orissa, as well as the city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt. So, but more than building, he wished was to be within nature. So instead of moving here and there in search of the building and seeing the monuments, he loved to be with the nature. So this is all about Rohit. Now let us move to the next character, Sarbjit. Now what does this Sarbjit love to do? Now let us see. Sarbjit felt angry when people showed disbelief in him. That means whenever he tried to say something, people say that no, you are wrong. So don't you think we also face sometime this kind of situation, and we also get frustrated, irritated that why these people are not believing on me, even though I'm telling the truth. So similar thing happened with this Sarbjit, and he could not complete his homework because Ravi has taken his book, right? So he could not complete his work because Ravi borrowed his book and did not return it. Or he could not score good mark in spite of the fact that he studied, or it was a matter of fight which he did not start, rather his brother did that. So even though he did not fight with his brother and his brother started the quarrel, but whenever he tried to say that no, it's not my fault, people used to disbelieve him. And just not only this, whenever he get less mark, whatever reason it may be, whenever he tried to say something that this is not the fact, then people will say, no, you are telling lie. So no one was ready to believe him, neither his teacher nor his parents. So think about that condition, my dear student. Don't you think the child or the person who is going through such condition will be so irritating that no one is believing on him? And he tried to control his anger by looking down at his shoes and counting to 10. So as we say, even in pictures and movies or cartoon, whatever it may be, sometimes the doctor or sometimes the people around us will say that in order to control your anger, you just count from the 10 and end with 0, like 10, 9, 8, 7. In that way, your anger will go down and you will be cool. And here, being a boy, being a child, whenever someone is scolding him or whenever someone scolds him, he just bow his head down and look towards the shoe, or else he used to count the number. Now let us move to the next character, Dolma. What does this Dolma want to be? She want to be the Prime Minister and wanted to serve and make things better for everyone. So people laughed at her ambition, but she was sure that she would achieve it. Don't you think if sometimes we say that, no, I want to be the Prime Minister of India or any of the country, and people start mocking, people start talking, people start laughing at us, don't you think, why can't we aim such kind of ambition, right? So people used to laugh at her after hearing that she wanted to be a prime minister and serve everyone. So whenever her classmates were stuck, they asked her for solutions. So whenever the friends or classmates of her group, when they are in certain problem, they used to find solution, or they used to get solution from Dolma. And her teacher showed trust in her whenever something new was to be done in the school. So complete faith was there. Teachers were having complete faith on Dolma, because she was the only one to find out all the solution, and if something is there in the school, then they have complete faith on her. So she said that she wanted to make good hospitals, roads, schools for the country. She also wanted that capable scientists should be there so that cures for disease could be found and spaceships to Mars could be sent. Wow, what a dream and what a fantasy, what an ambition, high ambition. This little girl is thinking that she want to be a prime minister and want to serve the people. She want to make good hospitals, roads, schools, capable scientists so that any moment, any disease can be cured and there should be spaceship to Mars. So in this way, Dolma shared her experience. Now let us move to the next character, that is Peter. Peter's choicest day was second Sunday. So Peter loved second Sunday of every month. Why? Because on that day their family used to go out to watch a film. His father would have tickets beforehand and inform them. They all, his parents, grandmother, two brothers, himself, would take a bus to reach the cinema hall. Isn't it so good? Yes. So here, that is the reason Peter loved every second Sunday of every month, because they go for an outing, they go for a movie. During break time, his father would buy peanuts for them, which he loved to eat in the darkness of the hall while watching the film. So as we eat popcorns, chips, and chocolates and all, similarly this boy loved to eat peanuts in the darkness. Darkness in the sense, whenever we go to a movie to see a movie, the ambience will be in dark. In that ambience we used to see the picture and enjoy that moment. So after the film is over, they would stop to eat ice cream. So when the film is over, they would stop to eat ice cream, as we also do sometime, and this kept everyone in a good mood and they took it as a fortune that they were a happy family. So it's their luck that they are very happy among themselves. So this was all about the characters that they shared us. So these are some glossary. If you want to read it out, these are some slides which I have given you. Just have a look, read it out, or else you can write it down for your betterment. So this is the second slide, and this is the third one. You can see what exactly the meaning is. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to call me, and thank you all for watching my audio. For any queries, comments, feedback, do comment on my chat box. Thank you all.